Over 65? These 3 fruits destroy collagen and 3 that rebuild it fast. Senior health tips for those aged 65 plus. 3 fruits that destroy collagen and 3 superfruits that restore it. Hello dear viewer. Are you over 65? Do you have pain in your knees, dry skin, and weak muscles? What is collagen and why is it important? Did you know that there are 3 dangerous fruits that destroy collagen? We have great news for you. Collagen is at the heart of the problem. But be careful, some fruits destroy this collagen. Others restore it. Today we will show you 3 fruits that, if eaten in excess, will destroy your collagen. And most importantly, we will also introduce 3 useful superfruits that will accelerate the production of collagen in your body. So, watch the video until the end, do not miss the information that will change your life. Part 1. What is collagen and why is it important? Collagen is one of the most important proteins in our body. It is found in skin, bones, muscles, knees, joints, teeth, and even blood vessels. Collagen production naturally slows down as we age. After the age of 30, approximately 1 to 2% of collagen is lost each year. By the age of 60, our body has lost about half of its original amount. This leads to wrinkling of the skin, pain in the knees, stiff joints, brittle hair, reduced vision. But the good news is that this lost collagen can be restored through proper nutrition. Section 2. 3 dangerous fruits that destroy collagen. 1. Pineapple, the problem of too much enzyme. Yes, this fruit seems healthy to many. But pineapple is rich in an enzyme called bromelain. These substances can in some cases break down collagen fibers in the body, which can be especially harmful for those who suffer from knee or joint diseases. In particular, drinking more than 1 glass of pineapple juice per day can harm your joints. 2. Mango, a hidden sugar explosion. Mango is a natural fruit, but very sweet. Every 100 grams of mango contains up to 14 grams of sugar. Due to its high glycemic index, this fruit quickly raises blood sugar, which leads to the hardening of collagen by combining with sugar, glycation. As a result, the skin becomes tight, collagen fibers are damaged, bones become brittle. 3. Grapes contain polyphenols, but excessive consumption is a problem. Black and white grapes contain beneficial polyphenols, but they are also full of sugar. Especially for the elderly, consuming more than 200 to 300 grams of grapes per day can increase joint pain. Section 3. 3 superfruits that restore collagen. 1. Grapefruit, a source of vitamin C. Grapefruit is not only low in sugar, but it is also rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is a key contributor to the production of collagen in the body. 1 grapefruit covers 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Benefits: skin is renewed. Joints become elastic. Teeth and hair are strengthened. 2. Strawberries, a powerful antioxidant. Strawberries contain substances such as ellagic acid and anthocyanin. The function of these substances is to protect collagen from breakdown. Another benefit is that it fights against nausea, diabetes, and heart disease. Half a cup of strawberries every day contributes greatly to the preservation of collagen. 3. Avocado, healthy fat and vitamin E. Avocado contains high-quality omega-9 fatty acids and vitamin E. Vitamin E protects collagen from oxidation, and fats help it repair itself faster. Section 4. What to eat to restore collagen. Increase collagen naturally with the following simplified diet. Recommended products for breakfast: strawberries, nuts, eggs. For lunch: fish, salmon, grapefruit, green vegetables. For dinner: avocado, pumpkin seeds, wheat germs. Snacks: dark chocolate, lemon for tea, almonds. Section 5. Simple habits that protect collagen. Quit smoking. Nicotine eats away at collagen. Reduce sugar. Avoid glycation. Avoid the sun. Use SPF cream. Drink more water. Keep the body hydrated. Get moving. Muscle movement stimulates collagen production. Section 6. Supplements, optional. In addition to natural fruits, the following supplements may also be beneficial. Collagen peptides, direct supplement. Hydrolyzed collagen powder. Capsules enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E. Hyaluronic acid, for skin elasticity. These supplements should be used under the supervision of a doctor. Section 7. Listen to your body. Each person's body is individual. A fruit that suits you may have a negative effect on another. Therefore, before starting any diet or supplement, monitor your body. Has your knee pain decreased? Is your skin glowing? Is your energy increased? These signs indicate that you are on the right path. Section 8. Real-life example. Here is a short example from the life of 70-year-old Dilfuza. I ate 1 grapefruit and 2 tablespoons of avocado every day. I started my morning with a strawberry smoothie that I made myself. After 2 months, the stiffness in my knees disappeared. So far, my bones are strong, and it has become easier for me to walk. Section 9. Practical recommendations. Start today. Do the following every day. Strawberry smoothie for breakfast. A slice of grapefruit for lunch. Avocado salad for dinner. Add a slice of lemon to your water. Use sunscreen when walking in the sun. Light exercise every day. Even after 65, you can keep your body strong and healthy. You just need to choose the right fruits. Beware of fruits with high sugar content: mango, grapes, pineapple. Eat more fruits that restore collagen: strawberries, avocado, grapefruit. With these simple changes, you will maintain healthy skin, strengthen your bones, easier to move. Dear viewer, your health is in your hands. Make the right decision when choosing fruits today. Healthy choices are healthy life. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, like the video, leave your opinion in the comments, share with your friends. See you again in the next videos. Stay healthy.